In this class we study about R to R type. It is not ADC, it is R to R type DAC, that is digital to analog converter. So in the R to R digital to analog converter, the digital signal is being converted into analog signal by having two types of resistors, that is R, and another type of resistors is 2R. Both are connected in parallel and series. So to the negative side of the op amp, that is to the inverting side of the op amp. So here we just have only two types of resistor. One resistor will be having 2.5 kilo ohms to 10 kilo ohms. So if the resistor is R resistor is 2.5 kilo ohm, then 2R resistor will be 5 kilo ohm. So we are using only two types of resistors. So in the weighted type of resistor, we need to have different types, that is up to 2 raised to n into R type of resistors. So if we are having bit say 16 bit, then we need to have 2 raised to 16 into R. Or if you are having say 1 kilo ohm, so 2 raised to 16 into 1 kilo ohm type, that much of high resistance value is being needed for the weighted type of resistors. So in this type of R to R ladder type DAC, we are having only two types of resistors. One is R resistor and another is 2R resistor. So these 2R and 2R are connected in both series and parallel to the uh, inverting side of the op amp. To what is the inverting side? So the inverting end of the op amp means this one, the inverting end. This is non-inverting end. This we call the inverting, and this we call as non-inverting. So these resistor R and 2R resistors are connected in series and parallel to the inverting side of the op amp. So we are having only two types of resistors. One is 2 kilo ohm. That resistor may range, the value may range from 2.5 kilo ohm to 10 kilo ohm. So if the R resistor is 2.5, then 2R resistor may be 5. Okay, 2.5 into 2. So wide range of resistors are required in binary weighted DAC. This can be avoided by using R to R ladder type DAC, where only two types of resistors R and 2R are required. So here it uses a ladder network containing series and parallel combination of values of R and 2R. So why it is called as ladder means, say we in this ladder we are having like this. Ladder means what? Ladder means like this. So this we call as the ladder. So here we are connecting this ladder to the inverting end. The inverting end, this ladder is being connected. Ladder means like this. It is being connected. So this reference we this one we this one we call as V reference. This one we call as V reference. This ladder type, so this one we call as V reference, and this one we take it as ground. So same ladder type. So here it will be 2R, here it will be R, here it will be 2R, or vice versa. So that is why it is called as ladder type. So given below is a R to R ladder arrangement for a 4-bit digital data. V0 is the output voltage of the ladder arrangement. Kindly note that there is also a terminating resistors 2R. So this is that R to R ladder type of resistor arrangement. So here we are having two types of resistance, that is R and 2R, R and 2R, R and 2R and 2R. So here the main thing which you need to note down, that is the terminating end. Here the resistance value is 2R. So here the resistance value is 2R, and remaining resistance values are R, R to R, R to R, R to R, like this. So okay, so this will be R to R, R to R, R to R. So here it is 2R and here it is 2R. Okay. So each bit corresponds to switch. If bit is high, the corresponding switch is connected to the inverting input of the op-amp. Say if we are having this bit here, so if bit B4, so if I am giving 1010 as the input, 10101 is being, it should be converted into the, converted into the output voltage, equivalent output voltage. So then what I have to do, I have to switch on this B4, then switch off this B3, switch on this B. So close this switch B4 and B2 and open this switch B3 and B1. So why it is 1 0 1 0. So this is MSB, this is LSB. Okay. So then it is then we are getting here, it has 1 0 1 0 here. So this 1 0 1 0, they where B4 is 1, B3 is 0, B2 is 1 and B1 is 0. So here we are connecting this, we are closing the switch B4 here, we are closing the switch B2 here, we are opening the switch B1 and B3. So if bit is low, the switch is connected to ground. If bit is low, the switch is connected to ground, that is, it is being connected to ground here. If bit is high, it is being connected to VR. Fine. Say we need to assume that a 4-bit binary input is 1000. So this is for understanding simply, so you can easily understand. If you are having one number 1000, that is B1 B2 B2 B3 B4, that is MSB is B1. Say here the MSB is B1 and the B1 switch connected to VR and B2 B3 and B4 is connected to ground as shown. So here this is the MSB. If this is the MSB and if this is being 1, it is being connected to VR. It is being connected to VR and the remaining B2, B3, B4 is being 0. Is being 0 here. I think in the weighted sum we have studied this MSB as B4 and the LSB as B1. Okay, so like this also you can take down, like this also you can take down, that is not a problem. You just strike it out this 100, so you take 0001, you take 0001. So what happens, B4 it becomes 0, B3 it becomes 0, B2 it becomes 0, B1 it becomes 1, B1 it becomes 1. So that is once the B4 is 0, then it is being connected to ground. Once the B3 is 0, it is being connected to ground. Once the B2 is 0, it is being connected to ground. And once the B1 is 1, it is being connected to VR. Fine. Now next you see here. See, this is the ladder type. There is no need to have any confusion in this network. You just see here. I am putting this as the MSB. This as the MSB and this as the LSB. This as the LSB. I am putting the value 0001. 0001. So I am not connecting. As it is 0, it is being open. As it is 0, it is being open. As it is 0, it is being open. As it is 0, I am just connecting this one to the LSB. So once it is being open, then it is being connected to the ground. Then it is being connected to the ground. Then it is being connected to the ground. Once it is being shorted, it is being connected to the VR. It is being connected to the VR. So this is the same circuit which is being shown here. I hope you understood. So the terminator should be 2R. So that is compulsory. The terminating resistor is a resistor near to the ground. It should be 2R. The terminating resistors 2R and the resistor 2R are connected to B4 are in parallel. So you can see that it is being connected to a single node. So here we are having the node N1, N2, N3, N4. 2R and 2R are in parallel. 2R and 2R are in parallel. So 2R into 2R plus 2R into 2R. So if it is having 2R into 2R plus 2R plus 2R. 2R. So what will be having? 4R plus 4R. 4R by 4R, that is R. So then so they can be combined to N4 to form an equivalent resistance R. 4R by 4R is equal to 4 and 4 cancels, R by R is equal to R. So the next figure you can see here, then the resistance forms this one R. R is being formed here. This R and R can be combined. This R and R can be combined. So what is that R? This R. This both of them is being in parallel, and this equivalent becomes this R. This becomes R. This becomes R here. Sorry. These are in parallel, and this becomes R here. And one more R is there. One more R is there. This both are in parallel. Both are in series. Both are in series. Then R plus R is equal to 2R. Okay, sorry. So this R plus R in 2R. So this R and this R will be combined here. This R is combined. R plus R will be 2R. This 2R and this 2R is in parallel. This 2R will be in parallel. So next we can say this 2R is in parallel. So 2R into 2R by 2R plus 2R, then it becomes R. So like that it repeats up to the node N1. The resistor R and resistors 2R is being connected in to the B3 are in parallel. So they are combined to form R. So similarly it is being combined. So it is being connected in series, and this process repeats until we reach the node N1. So until we reach the node N1, this process goes on repeating. And this process repeats until we reach the node N1, and in the node N1 we are having 2R is the resistor connected to the ground, and 2R is the resistor connected to the VR and V0, and here and one more resistance is there, R, which is being connected to earth here. Okay, now what happens? Now this is that resistance. These 2R and this R can be combined. So since both are connected to the ground, so this 2R and R can be combined, and this 2R and R, if combined, it becomes 2 by 3 into R. So if both are connected into ground, so it acts as in series, and so it acts as in parallel, so it can be combined. So 2R into 2R into R, 2R into R1, 2 plus 2R plus R, that is 3R. So 2 by 3 R. So ഇതിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂസ് എടുക്കുക. സോ ഇത് രണ്ട്, അതായത് ഇത് രണ്ട് പാരലായിട്ട് ആക്ട് ചെയ്യും. ഇത് രണ്ട് പാരലായിട്ട് ആക്ട് ചെയ്യും. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് രണ്ടും കമ്പൈൻഡ് ആണ്. ഇത് 2R ഇത് ആറും. അപ്പോൾ 2R ഇൻറ്റു ആർ വെച്ചിട്ട് 2 ഇൻറ്റു 1 ബൈ 2 പ്ലസ് 1. അപ്പോൾ 6 കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് എടുക്കുക. സോ ഇവിടെ 6 കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് എടുക്കുക. അപ്പോൾ 2 ഇൻറ്റു 1 2 പ്ലസ് 1 3 R, 2 by 3 R. So it becomes 2 by 3 R. സോ ഇത് രണ്ടും കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് അതിൽ ഏത് കണക്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്? ഗ്രൗണ്ടിൽ കണക്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. സോ അങ്ങനെ ഇത് ഉണ്ടാവുമ്പോൾ, സോ നൗ യു ക്യാൻ സി 2R is being connected to V0 and 2 by 3R is also being connected to V0, and so this and also you can see that VR is being connected to our VR reference voltage connected. So here we apply the voltage divider rule. Voltage divider rule apply ചെയ്യാണ്. Voltage divider rule apply ചെയ്തിട്ട് V naught dash is equal to 2 by 3 into VR 2 by 3 into VR by 2 by 3 plus 2R. ഈ ഒരു വോൾട്ടേജ് ഡിവൈഡർ റൂൾ അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് എന്ത് കിട്ടും? ആ ഒരു വി നോട്ട് പറഞ്ഞത് എന്താണെന്ന് നമുക്ക് കിട്ടും. സോ ഇയർ വി നോട്ട് ഡാഷ് ഇസ് ഇക്വൽ ടു VR by 4 എന്ന് നമുക്ക് കിട്ടും. സോ ഇത്രയേ ഉള്ളൂ. So the R2R ladder arrangement is connected to the inverting amplifier using op-amp as shown here. See here, it is being connected like this, and this final output form of the op-amp based on R2R ladder DAC is given by V0 is equal to minus RF by R. So you can see minus RF by R into V naught dash. So what is V naught dash here? V naught dash is equal to VR by 4. So that we have already know. So that is minus RF by R into VR by 4. So that we get as this one output. So here that is minus RF by R into VR by 4. If when RF is equal to 2R, then V0 is equal to minus VR by 2. So when you analyze another input, say B1, B2, B3, B4 as 0, 1, 0, 0, so we get V0 of the final circuit as minus VR by 4. So in general, we can write down if you are having only one bit has an higher and all, we can write down, in general we can write down V0 is equal to V minus VR into B1 by 2 plus B2 by 4 plus B3 by 8 plus B4 by 16. So like this we can write down in general. So this is the explanation for your R2R type of DAC. I hope you understood this one. So if you are having any doubt regarding this one, you can ask me. I hope you know about the voltage divider rule. If you know the voltage divider rule, then you can easily understand this topic. Okay. Bye. Thank you.